Welcome to the English Beat. I'm your host, Sarah. Have you ever felt like your English is a little bit frozen? You know the grammar, you know the words, but when you watch a movie, you feel like a tourist in a foreign land. Today, we are changing that. We are going to find the soul of the English language inside a Pixar trailer. I'm talking about Inside Out 2. Before we start, I want you to do something for me. Take a deep breath. Inhale the confidence. Exhale the doubt. You are here. You are learning. And that makes you incredible. In just 3 minutes of trailer footage, we are going to extract 10 powerful idioms. These aren't just words. They are the keys to sounding like a native speaker. Idiom number 1. Out with the old, in with the new. In the trailer, a giant orange emotion named anxiety shows up with a lot of suitcases. The old emotions are confused. But life is about growth, isn't it? When we replace something old with something fresh, we say, out with the old, in with the new. Think about your old English textbooks. Maybe it's time to say, out with the old, in with the new YouTube lessons at the English Beat. Idiom number 2. To make room. The construction workers in Riley's mind are literally smashing things. They say they need to make room. This means to create space. I want you to ask yourself, are you making room in your life for your dreams? To learn a language, you have to make room in your daily schedule. Even 5 minutes is enough room for a seed to grow. Idiom number 3. Bottled up. We see joy and sadness trapped in a glass jar. When we don't express our emotions, we bottle them up. It's a vivid image, isn't it? A tight cap on a glass bottle, holding all that pressure inside. Don't bottle up your English. Even if you make mistakes, let the words out. A mistake is just a sign that you are trying. Idiom number 4. A piece of cake. Joy is an optimist. She thinks handling a teenager's mind will be easy. She thinks it will be a piece of cake. Now, why cake? Because everyone loves eating cake. It's effortless. Is learning English always a piece of cake? Maybe not. But today, with this trailer, I promise to make it feel like a delicious dessert. Idiom number 5. To lose your cool. Anger is the master of this. When his head catches fire, he has officially lost his cool. To lose your cool means to lose your temper or become very upset. In English, cool often means calm. So, when you are practicing speaking and you forget a word, don't lose your cool. Just smile, take a second, and try again. Let's take a quick comedy break. I once saw a student lose his cool because he couldn't pronounce the word squirrel. He started shouting at a tree. Don't be that guy. The squirrels don't care about your grammar, and neither do I. I only care about your progress. Idiom number 6. On the edge of your seat. This trailer is so exciting. It leaves us on the edge of our seats. It means you are so interested or nervous that you aren't even leaning back in your chair. Are you on the edge of your seat right now? I hope so. Learning should feel like an adventure movie. Idiom number 7. A change of heart. At first, Riley feels fine. Then suddenly, everything changes. When your feelings or opinions shift, you have a change of heart. Maybe you used to think English was boring. I hope today you are having a change of heart. Language is music. It's the beat of the heart. Idiom number 8. Back to square one. When the emotions are kicked out of the tower, they have to start their journey all over. They are back to square one. This sounds negative, doesn't it? But think about it. Square one is where the game starts. It's a place of infinite possibility. If you have to start a lesson over, don't be sad. Square one is where you build your foundation. Idiom number 9. In the heat of the moment. When anxiety is rushing around, making Riley say things she doesn't mean, she is acting in the heat of the moment. It means doing something without thinking because of strong emotions. We all do it. Just remember, in the heat of the moment, take a breath. Even in a conversation, it's okay to have a moment of silence. Idiom number 10. A bundle of joy. In the movie, Joy is a character. But in English, we call a new baby a bundle of joy. It is such a beautiful, poetic way to describe something precious and happy. You, my dear learners, are my bundle of joy today. Your energy and your presence here make this channel what it is. We did it. 10 idioms, 1 trailer, infinite possibilities. I want you to pick just one idiom from today. Just one. And I want you to write a sentence with it in the comments below. I will personally reply to as many as I can. I want to hear your voice. I want to feel your beat. Thank you for joining me here at the English Beat. I'm Sarah, and I believe in you more than you know. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep dancing to the rhythm of English. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.